I'm Sydney Lucan, and I'm part of the Ethics Lab team here at Georgetown University. We had an awesome time meeting other educators at our Creative Ethics Education workshop at last year's conference, and we're really looking forward to sharing some of our new tools with you in 2019. But let's take a step back. What is Ethics Lab? Ethics Lab is a unique combination of philosophers and designers who believe that matters of ethics and moral philosophy aren't just theoretical. We're all affected by real-world problems that are tangled up with complex moral issues. Things like climate change, privacy in the digital age, or issues of social justice. And all of these issues require actionable ideas and hands-on approach if we're really going to make a difference. Here in the lab, we combine a deep understanding of ethical theory with design methodology in order to develop tools and strategies that impact how our students come to recognize problems and understand stakeholders, and how they develop new ideas by working through the ethical issues at stake. We believe that this integrative approach is essential for students and also for professionals to draw connections between their intellectual understanding of ethics and their creative capacity to tackle real problems. So whether you teach high school or college or graduate students, this is going to be a great workshop for you. And just like last year's workshop, it's going to be very, very active. We'll be sharing some of our own insights from the classroom, as well as walking you through some of our latest resources. And afterwards, everything will be available to you, so you can take these home and confidently adapt them for use in your own classroom. But to do that, we need your help. So please share this video and vote for our session on Panel Picker. And we hope to see you again in Austin. Thank you.